everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Let's touch in with Monero. Getting a lot of questions, with the hard fork coming up with the 10 for 1. So if you're holding this coming into sometime middle of March, I've seen a couple different dates out there, but it all depends, on the mining times and everything else. You'll be getting 10 MoneroV coins for every Monero you hold. Is it propping it up? It looks like it people are rushing in a little more on dips to buy it. What we're going to be doing here is still trading the price action. We're going to keep in mind that there's a fundamental influence. Okay, we don't trade off fundamentals per se, but there's an influence here. We're still going to trade off the chart patterns. Now, we're still going to come in and out. We might go into the hard fork with a little extra Monero and take advantage of the 10 for 1 and then figure out what to do from there. We're still deciding. We're still researching. However, let's just take a look at the price action. So it's run up to 330, came back down, stuck in the channel, sort of dipped a little to the downside, but I'll show you on the daily chart where that hit, dipped below the 50, but it hit a key area on the daily chart, spiking back up to 330 again. We now have a pretty decent horizontal channel. So why are we doing this? Because if we get a close, really, I'm going to be watching below this 284 level. The official bottom of the channel is about 287.20. I'm going to be watching there because then we're plotting out our levels. Then these could be areas to look to pick it up. There's a lot of pressure going on with the other cryptos. A lot of them are breaking down. We've hit some key head and shoulders patterns. Check out those other videos for those to see how those have worked out with potential buying areas, again waiting for a reversal pattern. So this one, if it does break down, there might be some minor support right at this 200 simple moving average, 280, but we're really focusing on 270 to 272, then major cluster at 262, then 254. Now this could also break to the upside on a key close above about mid 320, I'd say 320.50. What's interesting about this is the full target on this with the GAN targets comes in about 353 to 355. So that's an area to watch for if it breaks the upside. Minor target 342 to 344. Now let's check in on that daily chart, because that's what's most important, is still trading the price action. So it dipped down. That level it found support on was right at the bottom of the rotation zone. This rotation zone has been tested for so many years in all different markets, and it just holds up. You see on the way down, coming up to rotation zone, finally breaking through it, now coming back to test that key support. So if we do break through, which is at that 280 level, which also comes in at that 200 simple moving average on the 4 hour, if we break through that, then you can watch for these lower levels and you can target them if you're looking to accumulate more Monero. So that's the key benefit for laying out these levels. So now you can have a plan and you can come up with your own levels. You can use this if you have some reversal patterns, if you have some method of just not, oh, it's at this level, I got to buy some. If you have a strategy, now you can look at some of the levels we're looking at and we'll fine tune it as it starts dipping down to look for more cluster areas. What's interesting is right down here around this 254 area, it was prior resistance, and that can come support. This is a prior breakout zone with this big candle. So this is going to be a really interesting area right around even 254 to 257 to watch for any buying opportunities. And we've gone over some of the ones we used in the past. So again, we'll keep watching this. We'll keep watching going into the fork, and we'll keep covering it. Then we'll start covering MoneroV. We'll add that into rotation mix if everybody wants some. So leave some comments. Let me know what you guys and everyone else thinks. And thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We are closing in on 2,000 subscribers, which for a pure technical analysis channel is pretty good for us. We never thought we'd get that far. So keep spreading the word. Let people know about this. Keep commenting. Keep liking us. And we're also hit 100,000 views. So thank you, everybody. And I really appreciate everyone who really wants to learn how to trade, wants to learn how to add some technical analysis into their trading and not just be one of the people, it's dipping, I got to buy it. It's dipping, I got to buy it. And then they get shocked when it gets the bigger dip. So I think you guys are really wise and are on the right path to really learning something important. We will talk to you all soon. Bye for now.